we have to obtain x, y, a and b if the two matrices are equal. Now here we could apply the property of equality of matrices, that is, if two matrices of the same order are equal, then their corresponding elements will also be equal. So we just mentioned that is by property of equality of matrices, we obtain. Now let's equate the corresponding elements. 3x plus 4y can be equated to 2, so equal to 2. Let's name this as equation 1. Now we need one more equation in x and y here. If you see this one, x minus 2y equal to 4. X minus 2y equal to 4. Now let us solve these two and we can easily obtain x and y. Now for that, let us equalize the coefficient of x or coefficient of y. Let's equalize y. Now minus 2, we need a 4 over here, so we multiply this equation by 2. So we have 2x minus 2 into 2y, that's 4y, is equal to 2 4s are, that's 8. Now we bring down equation number 1, so 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now if we proceed further, we simply add the two equations. Upon addition, the y terms get cancelled off. Here we get 5x. Now 8 plus 2, that gives us 10. So from here we have the value of x as 2. Now from equation 2 we can obtain the value of y. So from equation 2 we have 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. Simplifying further, we have minus 2y equals, now 4 minus 2, that gives us 2. So from here we have the value of y as negative 1. So we have obtained x and y. Now we have to obtain a and b. So for that we equate a plus b with 5. So a plus b is equal to 5. That would be our first equation. So we mentioned also a plus b is equal to 5. Rather, we name this as equation number 3. And 2a minus b is equal to minus 5. 2a minus b is equal to minus 5. So that's equation number 4. Now we simply add the two equations. Now if we add the two equations, b and minus b cancel off and we have, this is a total of 3a. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. So from here we have the value for a as 0. Now using equation 3 we can easily obtain the value of b. So from 3, now a plus b is 5. So we have 0 plus b is equal to 5. So from here we obtain b is equal to 5.